Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn off notification on Google Chrome in your Android phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to your Google Chrome in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Google, so click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and click settings. Okay guys, here in settings, click notifications. Okay guys, you can see the allow notifications button. So okay, you only have to do to turn off this is click the switch button. Okay guys, once turn off, notification from this app will not be displayed on the notification bar or lock screen. So okay guys, that's it, and if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, thank you for watching.